5 adaptability strategies that outperform raw intelligence in the AI era. The AI advantage hiding in plain sight. Leverage this overlooked principle. It's not the strongest of the species that survive, nor the most intelligent, but the one most responsive to change. Charles Darwin, often misattributed. AI isn't changing the fundamental law of survival, it's amplifying it, rewarding those who adapt quickly while punishing those who resist. Master these 5 adaptation accelerators. 5 ways to develop superhuman adaptability in the AI era, Darwin's timeless wisdom. First, adaptive fitness assessment. Rate your adaptability across different domains, technology, relationships, career. Create a specific plan to strengthen your weakest areas. Second, comfort zone expansion protocol. Weekly, identify one small change you're resisting, then deliberately embrace it while documenting insights gained. Third, learning velocity training. Time how quickly you can become proficient with a new AI tool. Set progressively more ambitious targets to accelerate your adaptation speed. Fourth, change response optimization. Create a personal change response framework with specific steps to move from resistance to leveraging any technological disruption. Fifth, adaptation partnership system. Find an adaptation accountability partner who challenges you monthly on areas where you might be clinging to outdated approaches. Thanks for watching.